mathematicians. I believe in you. You can do it, because hard work pays off. Hard work pays off. Okay, we are going to convert this fraction -5/8 into its equivalent decimal form. Our first step is NITO, which means numerator in, denominator out. So we're going to go ahead and set that up. I'm going to create the division bar and the closed parentheses, and the number, the top number is 5. 5 is going to go inside. 8 is outside. So that's NITO. That's step number 1. Step number 2, set the decimal above the division bar after the whole number. So this is a whole number right here. I'm going to set my decimal right there. Step 3, now you're going to ask a question. Will 8 go into 5? Will 8 go into 5? Well, now step 4 is no. No. So you're going to have to add a zero to the end of number in the tens place under the division bar. Remember, division is also you have to have knowledge of the place value to understand the division. Okay, so now you're going to ask a question again. Will 8 go into 50 now? Well, of course it will. So we're going to use the times table to see how many times will 8 go into 50. We know 8 times 6 equals 48, which will go into 50. So in this box, it's going to be a 6. It's going to be a 6. Now you might not be able to see that. So it's going to be a 6. Okay, so now 6. Will 8 go into 20? Will 8 go into 20? Yes. So I'm going to use the timetables. 8 goes into 20 2 times, because 8 times 2 equals 16. So in the hundredths place, it's going to be 2. So now the next step, step number 13, will be to multiply. So I have to multiply 2 times 8, which equals 16. I'm going to put it underneath the 20. This is the new numerator. So now I'm at step 14. I'm going to subtract. So I subtracted. I got to pull 1 from that 2, which will make that a 1. So it's 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay, 1 minus 1 equals 0. All right, so I'm going to ask the question again. This is step number 15. Will 8 go into 4? The answer is no. So now step 16 says add 0 in the thousands place. So the thousands place is the third place away from to the right of the decimal. So now I got to bring that one down. So now I ask the same question again. Step 17 is, will 8 go into 40? Well, yes, it will, because 8 times 5 equals 40. So I'm going to do 5 right here. So now step number 18, I got to multiply it. 5 times 8 equals 40. Okay, now I got to subtract now. Now, when I subtract, 40 minus 40 equals 0. So since it is 0, this will conclude my problem. So my answer is 0.625. So since it is negative, I have to add the negative sign along with it, because it is equivalent to -5/8. So this is my answer.